Hi everyone, today we discuss about types of organic reactions. Types of organic reactions. Types of organic reactions. Overall, four types of organic reactions are there. So in this first one we discuss about addition reaction. Addition reaction. Addition reaction. Addition reaction. So in this, first we take one example. After that we can learn what is the addition reaction definition. Okay, so first we take one example. So in this CH2 double bond CH2. So what is this name? Ethylene. The name is ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2. The name is ethylene. Ethylene react with bromine. Ethylene react with bromine to form CH2 single bond CH2 single bond Br and Br. So 1 2. So 1 comma 2 comma dibromoethane. 1 comma 2 comma dibromoethane. So this compound name. So in this generally we know. So CH2 CH2, in this double bond is there, but in this single bond is there. So in this, so it is a bond breaking reaction. It is a bond breaking reaction. Why? Because so in this first, this is the substrate. So substrate having double bond, but after that this becomes to single bond. So that's why it is a bond breaking reaction. Bond breaking reaction. So in this addition of, so one bond is breaking and after that addition to Br. So means addition to Br. So that's why it is a addition reaction. Addition reaction, at the same time it is a bond breaking reaction. So the definition, what is the definition of addition reaction? Simple. So in this reaction, so the reagent, so Br2 is the reagent. Br2 is the reagent and this is the substrate. So first one, it is a substrate, it is a product. So P nothing but we call as a product. Okay, so yes, substrate. So R nothing but it is a reagent. R nothing but it is a reagent. So in this reaction, the reagent and the substrate combine together give a single product. So this is the addition reaction. So next we discuss about substitution reaction. Next we go for substitution reaction. It is also very simple reaction. Substitution reaction. So substitute. So in this, so first we take one example. After that we can learn what is the definition of substitution reaction. Okay, so in this general reaction, so R, so bond with X, it react with Y, so final product R bond with Y plus X. So in this exchange of atoms, so generally, so we take another example. R nothing but CH3. So X nothing but we take Cl. Okay, so Y. So Y means we take Br. Okay, so Br minus. Okay, so next CH3 Br plus Cl minus. So in this exchange of ions or exchange of atoms. So in this Cl means chloride replaced by bromide ion. So this is the substitution reaction. So in this we take another example. CH3 Cl plus NaBr CH3. So Br plus NaCl. So in this exchange of atoms. So Cl replaced by Br, Cl replaced by Br. So replacement is occur in this reaction. So generally, we learn again. So in this, so this is the reagent, this is the substrate, this is the product. So in this reaction, so which an atom or a group of substrate is replaced by another atom or group is called as a substitution reaction. So one atom replaced by another atom. Simple. Okay, one atom replaced by another atom. This is nothing but we call as a substitution reaction. So next we go for another reaction, that is the elimination reaction. So what is elimination reaction? So elimination reaction. Elimination means loss of atoms. So simple. Okay, first we take one example. So generally CH2, our convenient we write like this. Okay, next bond CH2, next Br. Okay, so this name ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide react with in presence of alcoholic KOH. So CH2, okay, HBr. So CH2 bond with H. So our convenient we write like this. Okay. So ethyl bromide react with or in presence of alcoholic KOH. Ethyl bromide in presence of alcoholic KOH to form loss of H, loss of Br. So generally we know Br, it shows a negative charge. Okay, so bromide ion, so Br minus, so it removed as a Br minus. So CH2 get plus. Next H removed as a H plus. So CH2 minus get minus. So make a bond CH2, single bond CH2. Okay. So minus plus make a bond. Ethylene formed. So it is a bond making reaction. So addition reaction is a bond breaking reaction. Elimination reaction is a bond making reaction because of substrate having only single bond between carbon and carbon, but in this product having double bond. So that's why, so it is a bond making reaction. So the addition reaction is a bond breaking reaction. So this is the elimination reaction. So it is very simple. So in which two atoms or groups are removed from so adjacent carbon. So adjacent carbon means carbon. So both are connected with one bond. Okay. So this is the adjacent carbon. So the atoms so removed. So adjacent carbons of a only single compound to form a multiple bond. to form a multiple bond. So means in this one bond, but in this two bond. So it is called as a elimination reaction. So last reaction, rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. So fourth one. So in this rearrangement. So rearrangement reaction, in this first we discuss about examples. Okay, so first we take N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. So in this CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay, so it is a N-propyl chloride. So in presence of aluminium chloride, N-propyl chloride in presence of aluminium chloride. So to form CH3, C, okay, C, H, one H rearranged by Cl, So next in this have one H, okay, so balance one H, CH2, so combine to form CH3. So it is a isopropyl chloride. So in this formula same, means so carbon number, hydrogens number, chlorine number same. So both are formula same, but arrangement different. Arrangement is different. So this is the rearrangement reaction. So in this reaction, which on atom or a group, so migrate from one place to another place, So with the same compound, is known as a rearrangement reaction. So just we learn, so what is addition, what is substitution, what is elimination, what is rearrangement reaction. So it is very important to every chemistry student. Okay.